this is Meredith from Eat Stretch Explore. I have another unboxing video for you. This time it is going to be the Winter 2020 add-ons for my FabFitFun box. So there's actually two large boxes. This one is the latest one, so this is why I'm holding it. So somewhere in these boxes is going to be my seasonal box. So I'll kind of unbox that earlier in my channel because these are Christmas presents. I don't want to ruin the surprise for anyone. So I'm going to set this down quickly. If you already know about FabFitFun, skip ahead maybe like a minute or so, and then we'll get into the unboxing. If you're unaware about FabFitFun, it is a quarterly lifestyle box, so that means it comes out 4 times a year. So I am a seasonal member, so that means that I pay slightly more than the annual members, but again, my money isn't sunk into the company. So that's just something I prefer. So there are a couple of perks about going annual, so I do understand why people do it, but I just don't really want to invest in a company if I'm not sure if it will be something to my liking in the future seasons. So that's just a personal preference. So also with this particular season, I know in my other videos I talked a big talk about it getting here before Christmas. That was just based on my experience last year, but this year it was kind of a struggle. So basically I ordered some items from the Black Friday market or sale, and then I ordered these like way before then, and they only just got to my door maybe 2 days ago. So I'm filming this on Saturday. I think they came on Thursday. So they basically sat in the Pitney Bowes facility in Indiana for about 2.5 weeks, maybe 3. After shipping, so that was a little bit frustrating to me, but I wasn't angry. It was just kind of more of an annoyance than anything. So I am still waiting on my Black Friday sale purchases, and they shipped it like the 30th of November, but they've literally shown 0 movement since the 30th of November. So I did reach out to customer service, I think on Thursday, just asking, since this one did come, if they could track it, because for some reason FabFitFun can see a little bit more detail than I can as the consumer. Basically they said they don't know where it is, so they are going to be resending it to me. The one stinky part though is that they're not going to send it out until maybe 2 weeks from now. So I will open these now and I'll just show it to you. Just basically I want to check to make sure everything looks okay and I got everything in my order, just because the shipping has been so confusing this particular season. So that was a really long-winded explanation about shipping this season. I'm sure everyone knows it. So I was just kind of sharing my experience just because I think FabFitFun could have been a little bit more upfront with their customers. So a lot of the annual members actually have not received their boxes still, and they were shipped like 2 to 3 weeks before mine was shipped. So I think that FabFitFun could have done a little bit more of being a little bit more upfront and communicating with their customers, just because a lot of us did pay a lot of money into these boxes and the add-ons. And also FabFitFun really went hard on this guaranteed Christmas delivery. So I think a lot of people, especially now, were kind of counting on the deliveries to be there by Christmas. So yeah, I think maybe I'm going to skip the spring box, just because number one, I don't really usually like the spring boxes, and I think maybe FabFitFun got a little bit too big for its britches before it had like all of the infrastructure and everything set up on the logistics side. So that's just a personal opinion, but again, I'll kind of check out the spoilers and everything and I'll let you know, and I'll always do my spoiler videos as usual. But yeah, that's kind of just where I think I am going to be sitting. So that was a very long explanation, and I will just open these boxes now because I'm sure you're very bored and you want to just see what I got. So again, I'm going to just be opening these just to make sure everything is in here that I ordered, and also that it's not broken, etc., because these are going to be gifts. So I will not be doing my usual pull everything out. I'll just kind of show it to you and kind of give the price on the screen. As per usual with FabFitFun, this was a very light box. It is like maybe 3/4 shipping materials. So I'm very curious what's in here, because it better be something very breakable, because there's so much packing materials. Like there are these little plastic bubbles things, and then this much craft paper. Yeah, so this was totally something that could have been in the other box, I'm thinking. So basically these are going to be a 2-piece colorful colander set. So I actually can pull these out because these are not part of the Christmas present, just to show it to you. So yeah, that was everything in this first box. So that was why it was so light and I could actually look it up. So yeah, this could definitely have been in the other box, I'm thinking, just because I know what else I ordered. And then these are also not breakable, so I don't know why they separated them, especially because they shipped them at the same time. That was the other weird thing about the shipping, is that they gave me one tracking number even though there's 2 boxes. So I mean, I just don't know how the logistics works. But yeah, this is this, and again, way too much packaging. I'll put the price on the screen again if I can find the email, but that's the other thing. FabFitFun doesn't send you a receipt of their add-on market items when you do purchase them. It just says like, thank you for your order. It doesn't give you a receipt or anything. It just hits your credit card. So that's kind of like another annoying thing for me personally. So I'm just going to obviously give you my full opinion, an honest opinion, just because it's just something that I think it's nice to get out there in the open, because I think a lot of the sponsored videos won't go into this because they don't have any experience with the add-on market. So basically, yeah, these are just 2 collapsible colanders. There's a large one and a small one. So yeah, basically we just needed those, so I did purchase them because it was a pretty good price, and it was a set of 2, and they seemed like they were pretty okay for that price. So this is the second box, so it is quite large. It was heavy, and it was kind of like an awkward shape, especially with my short arms. So I did have somebody else carry this for me. And then I just opened it slightly, and I can tell you 100% those colanders would have fit in here, so I don't know why they sent a separate box with all of those packaging materials. So again, there's a lot of packaging in here. So this is all packaging. So let me just see in here, and on the packaging slip, it does look like everything else is in this box, including my winter box. So again, I'll pull that out last, and I'll unbox it in a separate video. The first item here is the Stockholm Chai scented candle. So again, this is a Christmas present, so I will not unwrap it. It does not sound like it's broken, so I'll just leave it in the box for now. So it says that this is a warm aromatic blend of black tea and milk infused with cardamom and clove. And if you do want to purchase it, you can go to studiostockholm.com, and it looks like it is made in the United States. It is a 10-ounce candle, so this will probably be quite nice. So let me just sniff it a little bit through the packaging by like squeezing the box. It is kind of a nice scent. It has like a very much like a black tea scent, but it has some like sweetness and a little bit of spice mixed in. So this does feel like a really nice candle. So I actually wish I would have picked one up for myself, because I remember looking at them and being like, oh, that like the candle jar looks quite nice itself, so it would be nice to reuse it after I did burn up the candle. So again, it is Christmas season, and we have like a family rule that we don't buy anything for ourselves during the season, so I did not purchase one for myself, but if I do see it in the future sales, maybe I'll pick it up. Otherwise, I can obviously go to studiostockholm.com and purchase it myself. Okay, so this one kind of sucks. I might need to reach out to customer service. So actually I bought the 3-pack of daily stretch washcloths. They sent 2 washcloths, but only 2, and then the third one is gloves. So I'll have to talk to my mom to see, because I think she was going to use these as gifts. And I probably will reach out to customer service, because it looks like maybe something got lost in translation here. But these are the Daily Concepts brand. I do think that these are often in a lot of different boxes. This other unboxing channel that I watch, Catherine McCarthy, I think it is, she really likes this brand, and so does everyone else who unboxes them. They say that they really like the products. So they did have this great sale on the 3-pack, but again, I only got 2 and then an extra glove. So as you may know from watching other videos, I do have very dry skin. So I typically use like those, what are they called, Italy towels from Korea. They're just like exfoliating towels. So I'm kind of interested to see what other people think about this brand, because it is often in a lot of sales. So the one thing I really did like about this stretch washcloth is that it has like little handles, and you can like use it to wash your back. So I did think that would be nice. But yeah, these are going to be gifts. Oh god, so this one is very heavy. So I'm not being overly dramatic. This is like equals maybe like 10 pounds. So I believe these are going to be the baking set. So again, I won't open it because it is a Christmas present. But we did buy that baking set that was on the sale. And if I can find my video, I'll screenshot it to show it to you. But yeah, these looked like they were going to be very nice, and they are quite nice. I actually saw this brand in, I think it's Bed Bath & Beyond's catalog. It's like the Denmark tools or something. So I am quite interested to see how my sister likes these. So that is everything I added onto my box this quarter for FabFitFun. It's not super exciting or sexy, but that's just kind of like what kind of people we are. We want very functional items in my family. So we bought those 2 collapsible colanders, the baking set, the set of 3 washcloths, even though I only got 2, plus those exfoliating gloves, and the candle in chai. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know below what you have purchased and you really liked, and also let me know like what kind of items you purchased from FabFitFun that you really did not like. Just because it's kind of nice to share that information, because a lot of people only share their positives online. So I think personally I want to share my full opinions about everything. If I don't like the item, I will definitely tell you that. So thank you again so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. If you enjoy videos like this, definitely subscribe because I have quite a few more coming shortly. Thank you again and have a good day. Bye.